Landing in Abu Dhabi International Airport was interesting. Visibility was hazy due to all the sand circulating and not much to see in the horizon except the desert. In the background, there is a new Midfield terminal being constructed and is expected to be completed in 2017, which will double the airport's passenger capacity to 30 million passengers per year. Abu Dhabi International Airport is the airport in the Emirate of Abu Dhabi, the capital of the United Arab Emirates, and is one of the fastest growing aviation hubs in the world. The airport is located 30 kilometers from Abu Dhabi City and is the second largest airport in the UAE, serving around 23 million passengers in 2015. There are currently 3 operational passenger terminals and over 40 airlines offer services to 112 destinations in more than 50 countries.